No, what do you say?
Happy Valentine's Day, Mommy.
And who else? To Ai.
Papa and Molly.
Oh, do you want to show them your shirt?
See?
Well, we can't see. Sit up. Who's on it?
Snoopy.
Snoopy. Show them your shirt. Okay, now show them this. What'd you make them?
Mine.
Who'd you make that for?
And Poppy.
And what is it? Is it a Valentine card?
Yeah.
Okay, show them. Tell them what you did.
Put Timmy on there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. And what else? No, show the card. And what else did you put on there? No, don't wreck it. Now show the inside, please. What'd you write?
Poppy, oh, shoveling.
Oh, and?
Oh, shoveling.
Okay, and what else did you write? Happy?
Valentine's Day.
And what's the card inside there? What's this? Don't. No.
You'll never get a watch.
Oh, okay, so show them in the camera.
You'll never get a card.
And you're going to send it to them in the mail?
Yeah. They can't find it.
Okay. Now, give a big kiss. Look in the camera. What do you say to them?
Thank you.
Well, you say, I love you.
I love you.
Look here. Do you miss them?
Yeah.
What do you say?
I'll be coming house later.
Come to their house later?
Yeah.
Okay, one more Happy Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
From Timmy.
Timmy.